So let's begin the video. If you have an external mouse, then it's easy. If you don't have the mouse, you need to follow the steps. Press Windows plus S. Here search Touchpad. Press Enter. Press on Tab and you will see the white linings on the Touchpad option. Here you need to press space if it's off, and then you need to press space again, then it's on. So the step number 2 will be you need to again press Windows plus S. Here you need to type Device Manager. Press Enter. Here press on Tab, then scroll down with your bottom arrow key until you find mice and other pointing device. Press on right arrow key on your keyboard. Here these both are same. Press any other one. You need to press now Shift plus F10 key together. Okay? Shift plus F10 key together. Press that, and after you do that, press down arrow key and here press uninstall driver. Click on it and press uninstall. After you uninstall it, what you need to do? You need to go and press Alt F4, Alt F4 again, and here you need to press on restart and then restart your PC, and hopefully this will fix your issue. If this didn't fix your issue, you can go Windows plus S key, go and here Windows Update. Press enter. Here press enter on check on updates, and if the update has came, you need to press enter and then update your device and also restart your PC, and hopefully this all will fix your issue. If it does, you can subscribe and like to the channel. Thanks, have a nice